Hey everyone! Welcome to Quiz Cola Challenge, the ultimate quiz challenge. From the deepest trenches to the colorful coral reefs, gear up for a wave-crashing, deep-diving, jaw-dropping ocean adventure. Big or tiny, fierce or friendly, these creatures rule the waves. Think you can name them all with just a splash of a clue? Join the Quiz Koala family. Please subscribe now and stay tuned for more awesome quizzes. It's time to dive into the ultimate ocean challenge with Guess That Sea Animal. Here is your first animal. Dolphin. Guess the ocean animal. Shark. How about this one? Whale. Name this sea creature. Octopus. Can you guess it? Squid. Crab. What's this underwater friend? Lobster. What's this marine marvel? Seahorse. Jellyfish. This is easy for sure. Starfish. Who swims like this? Sea turtle. Walrus. Recognize this sea animal? Seal. Sea lion. Is this one easy or tricky? Tuna. Salmon. You know this swimmer? Angelfish. Which creature is this? Coral. You're doing good. Mussel. Oyster. Spot the sea animal. Lionfish. Can you guess it? Barracuda. Grouper. Quick, name this ocean star. Marlin. Keep going. Sea urchin. Name this sea creature. Sea cucumber. Guess the ocean animal. Beluga whale. Cuttlefish. How about this one? Electric eel. What's this underwater friend? Sand dollar. Fangtooth. Who swims like this? Ribbon eel. What's this marine marvel? Sea dragon. Can you guess it? Barrelay fish. Recognize this sea animal? Bobtail squid. Is this one easy or tricky? Try guessing. Porcupine fish. Which creature is this? Feather star. Can you guess it? Sea squirt. You know this swimmer? Mandarin fish. Paddlefish. Brace yourself for some trickier questions ahead. Amphipod. Spot the sea animal. Lizardfish. Here's a tough one. Basket star. Blue-ringed octopus. Quick, name this ocean star. Leafy sea dragon. Name this sea creature. Skeleton shrimp. What's this marine marvel? Sea lily. Spot the sea animal. Hammerhead shark. Which creature is this? Japanese spider crab. You know this swimmer? Wobbegong shark. How many did you get right? Make sure to comment your score below. And don't stop now. Tap here to play the next quiz and keep your brain buzzing. Subscribe for daily quiz challenges and become a trivia legend.